How to make keto sausage balls. The ingredients: 16-ounce mild Italian sausage, 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup cheddar cheese, shredded, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 3 medium green onions, thinly sliced. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat oven to 350 F. 2. In a bowl, mash up the Italian sausage. Add in the shredded cheddar cheese, almond flour, heavy cream, and sliced green onion. Stir to combine well. 3. Using clean hands, form balls and place them on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. 4. Bake in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 F. 5. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto sausage balls. Each serving comes out to be 689 calories, 59.5 grams fat, 5.7 grams net carbs, and 29.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.